Hey, what's up guys? About a year ago, I made a video on how to apply for a national insurance number, what was the process, and actually this is one of the most watched videos on my YouTube channel till date. So the process that I talked about in that video is a bit outdated, and after due diligence, I found out that the process has actually changed in 2021. So I wanted to make a follow-up video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to actually apply for a national insurance number and what the actual walkthrough process of that is. Hello and welcome to The Nimble Nomad. My name is Arjun and this is the channel where we talk about money and investing in the UK. So in case you're new here, I'd really appreciate if you can smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we're actually going to be talking about how to apply for a national insurance number. I'm not going to be talking about what a national insurance number is. I've actually done a detailed video about this a while back. I'll add a link of that there so that you can go and check that out. But basically the process previously was quite cumbersome, and what you needed to do was get this hard copy form from the HMRC, fill that out, send it to the HMRC by post, and then after a few weeks you would get your national insurance number come through in the mail. Now in 2021 actually the process has changed, and basically what's happened is the HMRC has actually simplified that process, whereby you can actually go and fill up an online form, and after you fill up that online form and you provide photocopies of your identity and identity proof, then you can get your national insurance number. So let's actually dive in to the specifics of how you can actually get your national insurance number. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be walking through that online so you can actually see what the process is, and hopefully that helps you out. So if you are looking to open your national insurance number, the first thing that I recommend that you do is you just go on to your browser and then you type in apply for national insurance number, and basically it opens up this link which is on the gov.uk website. Now obviously on here there's a whole bunch of information on your eligibility and what you need in order to apply, but if you scroll further down it actually tells you that you can apply for your national insurance number online, and it's actually a pretty straightforward process which takes up to 16 weeks, and all you need to do is fill out this online application form, and after that provide some identity proof based on the information that you get on an email that is sent to you once you've submitted the form. So if I just click on this apply button here, what it does is it opens up this form that you can actually fill out and fill in some of your personal information. The key thing to remember is that you do need a copy of your passport and your biometric residence permit, or you're a citizen of EU, then all you need is your national identity card in conjunction with some of these documents. So if you just click on start now here and you get the first question, which is actually the most important, so I'm going to run through that. I'm not going to run through all of the questions, but I will talk about this one because this is pretty key. So you get three options here which says, are you looking to work in the UK or are you working currently in the UK? And the first option is, so these three options, I think if you click 1 and 2, it will proceed with the form. But if you say no, I'm not working and not looking to work, it actually does not allow you to apply for a national insurance number. So my recommendation personally though is that if you aren't working even if you're not actually looking to start working immediately, or you're actively looking, I suggest you click on yes. Because the national insurance number actually is a pretty important document from a perspective of, or a pretty important piece of information that's required if you want to open an ISA, if you want to invest money, and there's a whole bunch of other things that you need a national insurance number for. So I've done a video about this. I'll add a link of that as well, so you can go check that out. So I'm just going to click on the second option here, click continue. It asks you for your full information, so I'm just going to add some random information in, and we're going to continue, and then I don't have a different name, so that's fine. I'm male. So after you filled in your information on the national insurance number form, it basically asks you whether you're ready to send your application. And all you need to do is just click this. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because all of this information is incorrect and I already have my national insurance number. If you don't really have one, then I really recommend that you fill this form out and then you hit accept and send. Now, once you've actually submitted the form, all you need to do is you get this automated email from HMRC and it actually tells you what documentation you need and what you need to do with that documentation in order to prove that you actually legally live in the UK and get your national insurance number. The most straightforward thing that they ask you to do is take photocopies of your personal identity documents and mail that through to the HMRC. In some cases, if they need further information from you and they need to validate your identity, they may ask you to come in for an interview, which is not different to the older process. You'll need to go into a job center office and they'll just ask you a couple of simple questions that you need to answer, and once you've done that, they will offer you a national insurance number which will be sent through to your post. I think the main thing that you do need to remember is if they do ask you questions, you need to tell them that you are actively looking for work, and that is a pretty important criteria at the moment in order to get your national insurance number. This is something new from what I can tell on the form. So I hope this video helped you out. It's a bit of a short video. I really wanted to make this video to just correct any information that I've put out there on YouTube. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.